So a lot of people work on Good Eats episodes, and a lot of people are never seen or acknowledged because they're so far behind the scenes. Like Dr. Arielle Johnson, who is our science officer. All of the science that we do on the show kind of goes through her, and she does a lot of research on things like fermentation, which she's kind of an expert on.
Yeah, and the science of flavor.
And the science of flavor. That's your actual PhD.
That is my actual PhD. Yeah.
I didn't even know you could get a PhD in flavor. No? Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Beef fibers? Those are beef fibers?
Yeah, except they go like that. But
Why do you have to be all critical? And you work with people all over the world.
yeah, I used to work at Noma in Copenhagen.
Name dropper.
Hi, Renee.
And you're working on your new book.
I'm working on my new book.
But the really important thing is that she's making sure that all of our science is sound on Good Eats, because you can't mess around with that stuff
No,
anymore.
you really can't.
Back in the old days, I just mixed stuff up.
Yeah.
And it sounded good. But now,
Now, 100%.
I have a doctor in house. So, that's it.